In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully apply for e-visa in Vietnam. First, check your eligibility. Citizens of 80 countries can visit Vietnam with an e-visa. Make sure your passport is at least 6 months valid. Step 2. Prepare the required documents. You need a passport size photograph and pictures of your passport. To take a passport photograph, stand about 1 meter away from the person. Make sure you have enough natural light. If you do not have a natural light, you can use either a ring light or any light that is white in color, so that there will not be any shadow on your face. If you are wearing glasses, make sure you remove them and make sure that you do not use filter on your photograph. Take the picture with a steady hand without flashlight. When you are satisfied, time to edit. So all I need to do is to go to the edit, and then you want to choose the format for 2x3, and then you just go like this, adjust it until your center, like that. So once you are satisfied with it, you save it. Save as new. For the passport, all you need is to lay the passport flat on the table and then take a picture. Make sure there is no reflections. Crop and resize the photo to ensure it fits the Vietnamese e-visa portal requirements. Make sure it's not more than 2 megabytes. Now you can submit your application to the Vietnamese e-visa official site. The link is in the video description. Click onto For Foreigners to apply. Click now on the Apply button. Make sure you read every detail before you declare. Next, fill in the form. Make sure you fill in according to the instruction carefully. Here, you could upload your passport size photo. If the size is right, it will shown here, followed by the passport photo. Make sure your full name lies as shown in your passport. As from here, you could go ahead and fill in the relevant informations. And also make sure you use the same email. You realize the questions here are pretty straightforward. The cost for a 90 days single entry e-visa is US $25. For multiple entry, it's around $50 US. If you select the multiple entry, which means to say you can go in and out of Vietnam, the grant e-visa valid is from the date you arrived, which means to say if you enter Vietnam on the 8th of January, that means you have to leave before the 7th of April. Unless you have a special passport, otherwise indicate normal. Make sure the date of issue and expired date are clearly stated. Over at the contact information section, you are required to include a contact person's details. This is in the case if there is any emergency. You are required to fill in the full name, their current address and contact numbers, and also the relationship to this person. You are also required to fill in the occupation's information. By doing that, they could check your background so that they know that you have a job and not a criminal. You are also required to state the reason of your visits, the date of your entry, and how long you intend to stay in Vietnam. If you are staying in a hotel, make sure you include the address and the telephone number of the hotel. You can check the province, the city or province, district, and the commune by using Google Maps. Normally, all visitors arrive Da Nang by airplane at Da Nang International Airport. If you arrive by ship or vessel, make sure you fill in the port or harbor accordingly. If you travel with children, make sure you include the information here. You are also required to fill in the expenses and also the type of insurance you have. They also wish to know who is paying for the trip. Finally, you need to declare the above information provided are truthful. If they are, tick on the box and select Next. After you have submitted the form, you will be informed whether or not your application is successful or not. Normally, it will take between 3 to 5 working days. If you submit this during their long holidays like the Tet, their Vietnamese New Year, be expected to wait a little longer. Usually their Tet is between 5 to 7 working days. So make sure you submit in as soon as you know and in advance. We submit our application 1 month before. It took us just 3 days to get approved. When it is approved, you will receive an email informing you that your visa is ready to be collected. So what you need to do is to go to their website, log in and find your e-visa. From there, you can make 2 copies of your e-visa because you need 1 copy for the immigration office, and it's better you have 1 copy in hand in case they want to see it when you depart. Thank you so much for being a member in my channel. I really appreciate your support. I hope this is useful. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me. I'll try my best to help you.